Hey everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to create effective Instagram ads using Facebook Ads Manager. Whether you're aiming for more engagement, traffic, or sales, this process will help you get your ads up and running smoothly. Start by logging into your Facebook ad account and opening Ads Manager. From there, create a new campaign and choose an objective that aligns with your goals. It's important to select the right objective if it doesn't match your content or placement. Your ad could be rejected. Next, give your campaign a clear name so you can keep things organized, especially if you're running multiple ads. You'll also have the option to categorize your campaign, test variations, and choose whether to manually or automatically distribute your budget across ad sets. Then, it's time to design your ad. You can create your own or let the platform do the work using the dynamic creative option. Just upload your images, copy, and call to actions, and the system will mix and match to see what performs best. You'll also decide how to optimize and deliver your ads, whether by impressions, clicks, or other metrics. After that, set your budget. You can choose a daily spend or a lifetime budget depending on how long and how often you want your ads to appear. Now comes audience targeting, one of the most powerful parts of Instagram ads. Define who you want to reach based on demographics, interests, and behavior. This ensures your ad budget is being spent on the right people when it comes to placements. Uncheck everything but Instagram if that's your main focus. You can choose to run your ad on the Instagram feed, stories, or both. Finally, pick your ad format, whether it's a single image, a video, a carousel, or even a slideshow. Make sure your visuals are high quality and fit Instagram's ad size. Guidelines: add your copy, double-check your preview, and hit publish. And that's ETOR. Instagram ad is live. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Got questions? Or need help with Instagram ads? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.